Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Maximum is which I don't have. 70% we get local.
ये की लोकल बले berhab don kam gani ka.
No, local you don't need. Local only ID we keep to.
original ID original tar.
Option. Ki biswa game day really ki local.
No, this one, not garbage. Maybe one mistake is there.
Haba ong khasi jantia garo kadi kamarak kadi sangma kadi kharkngor kadi gisiem. Ndai kita ki biswa kita ki sarma kadi khasi.
Ini.
Am ye kani kumno ong lokal kani. Nadu mana?
Address de jo premium.
Kani tame Bhima biswa di lokal sli kani.
Address epic de Aadhaar de jo premium. Tang bade address
khasi jantia garo kat kum kategori swa batam saai me yo biswa saai sarma kumnem tai
Like this one no marak
uni tu biang no
Kumno le khilaf ban bo ID no.
अब कल वो जो चीज हम दे देगा ना
अब बोला खर्ची आदमी इतना रूम में
क्या चीज हाँ इस मील में 30 आते हैं बाकी लेबल लोगे ना ऐसे जो लोडिंग करता है लेकिन सब में है नहीं कोई में है
ये सब क्यों अलाउ कर रहा है ये सब क्या डस्टबिन है नहीं क्या
बीच में सफा करता बा फिर गंदा करता
I think you got my idea. That's the only. Yeah, till now nothing happened. I think hope in future also nothing.
Police personal source here and there so scheme.
Yeah. Could be.
Hakapor bagi Hito kali Khynra se Kawei pat ka Karkhana ha umyam Majistor jong kari boy district luan poi ha kari ka Jaka ban kli toket bele bagi Hito kali akumni hakji kari nai lam ka Hito glapin skong tho shaki baka daw ka de hlo ka yok kam yo jam ki samna khasi ber kum joru ban pej ye ka jimpin jabo ye kal air da ku penan kam pala liam ik machine ban ni ka belabo kum kendon pakin penan kam Kahito kala yo rubanya keren baru try jong kari Karkhana bu de ben thep kam de ki try jalla Hindre lo juba bakum bakalo mentaru ki try jalla ki badan hagane Karkhana kidan kumbah nyu person AA Hindre haba open I ya ka kerteng ki try jalla ka pending ngo ya ka Hito kalong bakidan de ki wepat ki jai benrio ki badan ya ka ID card ban pen I bagi de no sosnong kami galaya
Right.
Yes yes
Huh?
आप दोनों
Keren kasih.
So kongsi. Huh?
dah satu
Keren kasih saya.
Stop.
kanu nak try medan
Yeah.
ya oh ayo I one say one strong office
To in one. Mana nga one? One the first time.
ayo boleh
Kanong mo ti you? Kasi baterai ni. Kadis madam na.
baik
Kedawan siap tayo long ki pelaj ba.
और बस साइन ला चेक थे itu baru pet
Kum dan hamar mak ba.
mengatu pet tipi pada gali tu mengatu
Hamar mak dan tang
I
teh.
think you are the magistrate in around this Ribuai district, so you kindly instruct them that first when we say local, it's not Biswa, it's not Sarma, it's all the district. And I kindly request you to kindly instruct the forest department to check all this timber, especially without hammer mark. And I just now came to know that they hide some illegal immigrants here without paperwork. So you instruct them before we
Machine access. Machine.
and machine also. I heard that it's all access. Access
The quantity of machine
the
is
quantity
access.
of machine is access, and labor also need to rectify, and the environment of our mother nature also they have to clean it in a proper way.
yes sir labor machine, you can check the license right away. Okay, yeah, we'll do the screening.
Based
Okay.
on humanity ground, by not by looking all those other tribe.
Okay,
In
sir.
environment matter, you have to be very clear.
Okay, sir. I'll make the screen.
After 14 days, we will come back. If we see any discrepancy, then we have to take action as per our
No
ordinance.
problem. We'll abide by all the
So
rules.
now you have to agree that any job preference should be go to the local.
So we already have more than 70% right now also. Only
And kinu kikam kibau khasi ulala bentrai.
yes.
Deben ainung kong sayu. Lada nang ru haban trai.
Kalau ada
Mlelai subu memang ai mentai khatsan hajar. Ya katu kam. Under training ai no sport mlelai. Undala long lada well trained ai no khatsan.
From my guard to my office, everyone is Khasi with me. All.
Kam lelai.
Just
Kinang
telling
ni
you,
sa kamal-
whichever work they want, we always give loading, HR, trolley, all are Khasis with me. We also prefer Khasis because it's better for us. They get employment, it's good for them. It's the home is very close to us.
Datry illegal usok na.
Huh?
Datry illegal kumnir usok badan kasi am layada ma lalong sil. Dera lalong sil am ki kasi jongi.
This is all 9 feet too. When they section, some mark will be there, some won't be there. You
Dadan
might
ki
get.
kasi datry illegal lo kamu lasok ma lasok ilde. Ya temo liyo kamay jam ma temo ngi pa sa ni tengila
Up
ring
check
mesim
when
na
they
kay.
cut in the jungle, sir, एक part वहीं फेंक देता है. So some you'll get marks, some we get all with PP, sir.
Berlabiang kata nih.
Yes, sir.
mesin
Mesin ay rong ina angin ayu le lang bodoh kan.
Machine, according to the license, the machine is there.
Am le le lang ko mamane kan.
Yes, sir. You can check.
Okay, bring
Ile
your
lang.
license. We'll go along with
Yes, sir.
Long audio mah.
And this, which I don't have, 70% we get local.
Ye ki local beli berhab don kam gani ka.
No, local you don't need. Local only ID we keep, though. Just
Original ID original tar.
Option. Ki biswa game daily di local.
no, this one, not garbage. Maybe one mistake is there.
Haba ong khasi jantia garo kadi
Okay.
kamarak kadi sangma kadi harkngor kadi gisiem. Ndai kita ki biswa kita ki sarma kadi khasi.
Ini.
Am ye kani kumno ong lokal kani. Nadu mana?
Address the job.
Kani tame Bhima biswa di lokal sli kani.
Address epic. Aadhaar de job. Umiam.
Tang bade address
Khasi jantian garo di lokal.
jantia garo
Okay.
kat kum kategori swa batam sa ay me biswa sa ay sarma kumnem tai
Like this one, no? Marak.
uni tu biang no
Kumo le kilaban bo ID no.
kini original kini
Original.
kini first copy kini
I'm giving more
gran
IDs.
kini kita suskan lah
Am kadan ni original.
Original, Marak.
Original. Kasih siya na.
magistrate
taste
I'll give you more IDs. Ada ID dija.
ID haban cross check why here so after that we met them then we told them we asked them how many labor are there and from which category they belong first then we told them that from now on the first preference will be khasi jantia and gardi after that then outsider will come this doesn't mean that we hit outsider but first preference we say like you yourself Mr. Akashmara when you have your qualification is good you became magistrate but there are many thousands of our locals our mothers cried for their kids for the children because they didn't get a proper job so now it's our duty to tell all these people who get benefit from the state government especially from MIDC so our intention is very clear that the past job preference should go to the local be it Khasi Janjan.
But have you written to DC regarding all this?
No, now to search a job also, can the DC provide job to us?
No, I mean regarding all this, your demands and everything.
No.
Like this.
Are, come on, this is our state. It's not that we came here to make any crime.
Okay.
We came here peacefully,
Okay, then.
just to show. See, if you don't believe, where's that biodata? Mano bara to biodata see? Our biodata. We are going to fill this
Okay.
and submit it to them.
Achha.
Now, this is not illegal. This is a legal way. When the government
I
fail,
just want to ask you, law and order.
no, till now, is there any law problem?
No, I'm just asking you that just assure, no? Like, on your assurance that no untoward incidents will
No, until unless there is no provocation, then we won't provoke. So, in this matter, when we
So you want to go to each and every premise and just
first, we will go only to that company who can give a job to our local first. But after the demand, then only we will will move from here. And main thing, since you already came here, you kindly see all this illegal material affect the pollution. Number one, why we have to check also. We thought to start from here, but suddenly we saw big amounts of smoke came out from the factory. Where are the district administrators all this year? Suddenly, when we try to seek for our justice or our right, suddenly you appear. We feel very
machine
funny.
also is access.
Now, machine is access, and even
And all the materials illegal.
now the
there's no
big
harm
question:
is there.
how they got to keep all this material without the approval from the department? If the Khasi people reside in the government land or government area, they evict them without prior notice and they chase them from that. That we won't accept. So if the government won't take any step, any action, we will sit in the CEC within a period of 14 days. We will evict all those illegal immigrants and all those illegal machines set up in this particular area.
for now you just want to give your biodata and your
One unit minimum is 1 unit. And 2 units sawmill, 2 units sawmill. So according to your license.
ये भेस बकरी नहीं क्या पाल रहे हैं आप लोग? रिश्नंग भी मस्ती में ये पुत्र वीडियो as per license you got license to make what?
Which one?
Potar.
Only for the operators on our rest are made there. Proper in the proper.
But this is not the proper way.
Okay, so
Can you open? I want to see how they do that inside. This is not right. Unhygienic like an inside.
they are just sitting. They don't stay here. They come, they make food.
Biasa na dia train na. Kani kamde jika sa. Kalau sa, kani ba? Mana ba sa? Kini semana ini bakal.
One or two people, emergency, they're just coming to sit here to have lunch now.
From now on, tell them to evict from here. This is not the proper way to write. They are not. They are human beings. They are not animals.
Katalon sa rito. Baru ngapain? Tidak. Kiam na jerang hap, kiam ring na tuntun, kiam na jerang hap. Hap, kiam na sa jerang ling.
We get the quantity we can sow 11,200 to 12,000. The maximum we can do in a 1 year. 11,200. That's my license. I cannot cut more than that. It's all written here. Only look at the.
Ini habis yang terakhir percepat.
30,000, 3 lakhs safety in a month into 35.3 will pay. It will definitely.
Pasang.
Wait. Woi, lain lah tu kempom ni.
Kempom dah kaniru.
Double check.
Kani ring dah kani pulih kani. Kempom dah baru kalau ayu.
We have not done anything. I'll give you the original.
Gede. So like yo. It's not a sar Majistor. If these people do, then what?
No. You want here?
We will. We will confirm from the office. That's the best thing. Now in front of you only now you agree, no?
All here sitting.
Am don ki wei me ki kelajat ki dekhar.
Wait, kelajat tu.
Khalai mudan ni. Pait no judge no mantaru. All sitting saber.
Ani kat kani kamel petrai tekan.
Ani dah nak try apa dia bagi nak dan kita try.
Khalai mud mga sarang no manta. Khalai mud. Hum abhi
We need a label left.
I'll give you everything and right now I'll start and show you 13 people are needed here. 80 people were
timing.
Sawan ni tu.
Kamera later. If you
never
get
work.
any complaint,
yes.
then you have to take it.
Tama kani tak sis le kani tak sis le. Membiang tak apa you le. Kalau dia memetrai illegal ya memetrai illegal khang.
Tak kasih ru.
We'll ठीक करेगा बस. Thank you. सब सफाई है.
Kakini ingut kan
kalau ini room stick करना पड़ेगा सर. हाँ नहीं ये कोई रूम यही रूम है बस. नहीं है बात नहीं. नहीं. वो तो इसका एक्सटेंशन है ना. ये किसका सामान है? इसी का एक्सटेंशन है वो. कौन सा? हाँ तो एक्सटेंशन है ना इसी का महावीर का ही. वो तो एक ही हो गया ना. अब कल जो चीज हम दे देगा ना.
अब बोला 13 आदमी इतना रूम में
क्या चीज? हाँ इस मिल में 30 आदमी बाकी लेबर लोग है ना जो लोडिंग करता है. लेकिन सब में है नहीं कोई में है.
ये सब क्यों अलाउ कर रहा है? ये सब क्या डस्टबिन है नहीं क्या?
बीच में सफा करता बाहर फिर गंदे का
बना है. माँ लड़ा की और तू लॉब रू से बताएंगे. Em dah kata lada pitrai wai ru kimla araban pentrai ya pi palat di kapor ta. Pisto. Kapor ka jong pi labu ke sarkar kata-kata baik. Kimla araban ya ayo. Men sungit than iki. Lada ki sungit jong iki da ki ai pisa tam dam lelai ta. Ya ka kam hap trai. Tala haba ki jing siu ko baret ka kam ru ka dai bar ka baret. Ndai bengi pin re ka anja ka ta. Yes. Tapi yang ngilingi dang ya kesaj penyok kam tu kasih kan. Majority yo kasih jantia karo kat yo. Tedan bok ngai tray stom tang bak tang oi phi ba ya tray bi ko pot. Lada ki la he ye phi ki pen lang ki pen stom ha ka kalan pisa kan katai. Pentip je kaseng buat ni ngin her bi mar dor ban le yo kam. Mo. Yo men sin. Namar lada pi don kumne pi ai men sen ye giwe kilong kume pat ke batrai ta.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.